We're off to Santa Mesa nakita namin tong store na to. So na-curious kami kung anong sinisell nila. The store name is Michelle Homemade Putong Ube and they are located at 24 Domingo M. Guevara Street, Mandaluyong City. At dahil itong kamote chips na to is naka-tarpaulin doon sa entrance ng kanilang store, ayan, 3.9 na rin namin siya. And then also, my favorite is the banana chips. So, kumuha rin ako. Pero yung kinuha ko guys is yung super thinly sliced lang na banana chips. Well, honestly, this is the first time na nakakita ko ng banana chips na ganito kanipis yung pagkakakat niya. Yung banana chips and kamote chips nila guys, nagre-range siya ng 160 plus to 170 plus. Then, 250 grams each na rin siya. Kaya kung madapadaan kayo dito sa location na to at naghahanap kayo ng mga kutkutin habang nasa biyahe, ayan, itry nyo na rin yung mga snacks nila. And kung i-rate namin yung banana chips and kamote chips nila, it's a 10-10 para sa amin. So, yun lang. Good day and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye!